Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and if you can't find screen recording button here, you tap on this pencil icon. Here you can add some buttons, so we just drag screen recorder here, and now we can record screen. So by holding on this button we can access some of its settings. For example, we can record device sound, we can record microphone sound, and we can also show screen touches. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. You can ask every time and don't ask again about these sound settings here. Tap start, and after the countdown, recording starts immediately. So now our screen is recording. When you're done recording, just tap on this button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. To the album called Screen Record, and here it is. And from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording, or you can perform other actions from this list. Oh no, yeah, you can only delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.